So today we're actually exploring a little bit outside the 828.
Yep, we're jumping across the border into Tennessee, the great Smoky Mountain National Park.
Where are we?
I don't know. Ready?
Hey, it's Lee and Deborah with 828 Vibes.
Join us as we explore the quieter side of the Smokies. Hey, before we get started, go up there and click the subscribe button or down there, wherever the button's at, but click it.
So today we're actually exploring a little bit outside 828. Where are we?
Yes, we jumped just across the Tennessee border into the Great Smoky Mountains National Park to hike the Alum Cave trail up to Mt LeConte.
So if you guys do want to hike the entire trail all the way up to the summit, you're looking at about 11.6 miles round trip. So just be prepared for that. But if you want to come up to Alum Cave, it's just a great hike. It's not all that strenuous. There's really cool views on the way. And then when you get up here, look at this amazing spot where you can just relax, take a break, maybe
Lots
have
of people
some
taking
lunch
snacks, yep.
or a snack. So it was a really neat spot.
Then you can make the decision whether you want to go on up to Mt LeConte. Mt LeConte is a longer part of it, more strenuous, a lot more uphill. Have cables to cover you for some exposed areas. But when you get to the top, man, you can have some spectacular views from their highest points up there, as well as see the cabins, the lodges at Mt LeConte. But did we see that?
No, not today. It was a little foggy today, and it was actually a little bit chilly up there.
It was cold.
We got up there. It's really neat to see the lodges. I thought it was just one big lodge, so it was kind of neat for me to see that it's multiple little cabins, and you guys can read about how to get your name on the list for that. So we could barely see the cabins a few feet in front, and then the bathrooms, which are very important.
Yes, so basically we stuck around long enough to hit the bathrooms, eat some lunch, turn around and come back down because our hands were cold.
Cold.
You know,
But it's a really awesome
yes,
hike.
it is. It's a
lot of
great
fun.
one. Fun fact.
Oh, the fact. Now, maybe a little more helpful and fun, but it's good to know. If you guys are planning on parking semi-close to the trailhead, you definitely want to get out here early. We're talking like 7 or before.
We've
So
been
we
reading
got
about it all
here-
week, trying to prepare for that, and I was thinking 8 o'clock, but we decided to get here at 7, and we got the last 2 parking spots. It's a Saturday, and the
On
place,
the side of the
both
road.
parking lots, there's not big parking lots, and it was just
So it's
filled
good
up.
timing.
So we got here at 7, and then we just prepared breakfast, ate a little bit,
Yeah,
got our
hung
stuff
out a little
ready.
bit.
Didn't take off till 8 o'clock in the morning, but we were in a parking spot. So
We were.
hey,
Not an extra hike to
No.
the trailhead.
but it was a fun hike. So get out there and enjoy it, and enjoy the great Smoky Mountains and the quieter side of the Smokies. We'll see you out there. Bye.